Samsung just dropped a major update for the Galaxy S21 FE, and it's packed with powerful new features and improvements you don't want to miss. The much-anticipated stable One UI 8 update, built on Android 16, is now officially available. This update brings not only a fresh user experience, but also enhanced security with the September 2025 Android security patch. The firmware version for this rollout is G990EXXUIJ2. It's a hefty download, over 2 GB, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi before hitting download. For now, this update is rolling out primarily in Vietnam and Thailand, but don't worry, Samsung plans to expand the rollout globally very soon. If you live in those regions and haven't received the update yet, you can manually check for it anytime by heading to your phone's settings and then tapping on Software Update. So, what's new in One UI 8? Expect a more intuitive interface, smoother animations, and enhanced customization options that make your Galaxy S21 FE feel faster and more responsive. Beyond looks, this update boosts performance and battery efficiency, ensuring you get more out of every charge. Plus, with the latest security patch, your device is better protected against the newest threats. If you own a Galaxy S21 FE, don't wait. Keep an eye on your notifications or manually check for this powerful update. Your phone's next-level experience is just a tap away. Stay tuned for more updates and tech news right here. Thanks for watching.